Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a plan with me and I will be using this kit from Shop Villa Beautiful. It's the 2019 November Shop Villa Beautiful kit. It's called Pretty Little Things and this is the 1.0 version. I believe this is the anniversary box if I'm not mistaken, but it is a beautiful kit. So this is the deco page and I'm not sure why it's not focusing. There we go. So this is the deco page and the kit comes in a booklet, but I took the pages out, but you have your full boxes on this page. You have deco or the dots, icons there. You have some buildos as well. You have your half boxes, some quarter boxes down at the bottom, habit trackers. You have half boxes on this page, date covers, flags, two tabs, some bubbles at the bottom. Then you have your flags, more flags, long flags. You also have checklists. Then you have headers or labels. You have more quarter boxes here at the bottom. Then you have your deco page, which is so pretty. I love the flat lace. And finally, you have the little, she was doing these on the older kits, which is the Hobo Nietzsche kind of kit, but I never use these, so I usually destash them. And to match this beautiful kit, I will be using these two washi from Shop Villa Beautiful as well. One has all of the VB pens, which is the 15 millimeters one, and this one is the 10 millimeter, which is just a geometric pattern. So that is what I'm gonna use, and let's get to it without any further ado. Let's have fun. Okay, so we have the washi part of this video where I put down the bottom washi, and like I mentioned, I'm using two washi tapes from Shop Villa Beautiful, and I think they looked absolutely amazing, especially the geometric one. I really like how it turned out, and I also really liked how using it as a header for the, as a deco header for the full boxes, it just complemented the aesthetic of the kit so well. So that is the first part. Then I white out all of the dates on the Lights Planner Action Planner, coil bound planner, because the date covers that I chose, they're a little bit narrow and I know that some of the elements would show, so I just white everything out and I put down my full boxes. You can see that they have this inverted flag kind of edges, so that's why I knew it would be an issue with the way the script or the font is on the planner, and that's why I white it out. I usually don't white out. It's a very good planner, so I don't have to. Anyway, starting on Monday, it was Coffee Monday, and basically I only used two elements outside the kit. So I'm not going to repeat myself and say that this is from the kit, because basically everything is from the kit aside from scripts and my my cat icons. So I liked the idea from a previous plan with me to layer the deco piece that comes, the deco pens that come on the deco sticker sheet with the flags from the kit, and mark that as a work from home. I really like the idea, so I repeated on this plan with me, and I've done this just because it is the VB kit and I get the pens from the kit, from the deco piece, so I just wanted to use them in that way. And I really like the layering, or the idea of layering that I've done there. Anyway, down with the full box that night was bin night. I also had a few new clothes that I needed to put away. I needed to change my wardrobe from spring from summer to fall. So that's what I've done that evening. I also marked what I was watching on that day I'm finishing finally the rewatch of Supernatural, so I'm on season 15, and I was also designing some dashboards and scripts for myself on my silhouette. So I had Netflix going while, not Netflix, Prime going while I was designing. My Tuesday, once more, I do the full box at the bottom. And this full box has no foil details, but at the end you'll see that I added a strip of overlay tape from Girl Boss Anna on it, and I just think it looks so much better. Anyway, as you can see, I'm using the 10mm washi from the kit from VB, and I just find it just gives a dimension or a different perspective on the planner, and I love it. Anyway, Tuesday, it was again the layering to work from home. I lost some footage there. I didn't lose some footage. The doofus forgot to turn on the camera, so I apologize for that, but you're gonna see there's a scalloped little header there, and I marked down that was the end of my day. So I did the dishes, watered the plants, and then I'm using the Primrose Corner girl with a script from Rose Colored Daze to mark down that it was clean the litter trays day. And also I had a good news that my VDS custom has shipped on that Tuesday. Finally it shipped. It's been 10 weeks. So I have a Janet Brown letter on the box because I haven't had the courage to open it and spray it and all of that because it was a costly boy. Anyway, Wednesday, the first thing I've done was put down the full box, and it says leave a little sparkle everywhere you go, and it's really, really important to remind yourself of that. I used the layering of the pen with the flag to mark down that I worked from home again. It was payday, so Wednesday there wasn't a lot to do. This week particularly was a difficult week for us, especially here in my area. We had a lot of rain, and we were on Monday, on the Sunday night, we were advised that we might have to evacuate because of the amount of rain. So it started raining on Wednesday night, Thursday, and it didn't stop, guys. It didn't stop at all. So we had this warning to possible evacuate on Sunday night, and it was bad. It was really the first time that I was actually scared that I had to leave my house, and I had pets, and I have 4 pets, so it was gonna be an issue. Anyway, that was a payday day. I also paid my credit card. I received some happy mail, and it was my mom's birthday, the 17th of March. So I marked down with a little bubble speech and put down a bow on the bottom. I don't like how that worked, but it is what it is. And I also uploaded a haul, which was good because I was almost done with all of my hauls on my channel, so I had to quickly edit and upload it. Anyway, moving on to Thursday, I worked from home and it rained all day, and I marked that down on my planner because it was really, really heavy rain. It was crazy. Bushfires last year, rain this year. It's just like, come on, give us a break. Worked from home. I've done lots of emails that day. I put down my full box at the bottom, and at the top after the work I put like a clipboard full box. It's a functional full box that came on the kit, and I like how I did that, and I liked so much that I repeated on Saturday. But I put down the clipboard full box and a tracker from the kit, and then I just marked down all of the things that I've done similar to Helen, but not really, because Helen is the best. Lots of emails. I've done a few things for my game. Lots of work-related DMOs, and also I had to take my dog out in the rain. It was, I mean, I had to carry him and carry the umbrella and get very, very wet feet. It was not fun, but that's okay because we love the pets. So I marked down that it rained all day with that little icon with this exclamation mark. And I also did grocery shopping. And to mark grocery shopping, I added a half box with a little gift wrapper, like those poppers that you have on Christmas, and a little shopping cart. Friday, it was finally Friday. I used the washi, the large washi from bottom washi that I've used previously, to use it as a background for my finally sticker that I've been using for a while now. And I think it worked really well, although the colors from the sticker are a little bit different from the rest of the kit. And because I had used that washi tape on the top, I didn't put the 10mm as a header before I put down the full box, because that would be too much, and I didn't want to clutter with a lot of boxed spaces. I do like my white space, so I didn't want to clutter it like that. Put down my work from home and my layering, and then a half box with this gigantic girl from the Primrose Corner. I'm done with this sheet of girls. I'm almost done with the sheet of girls, and I need to choose what I'm gonna use next for the next period to mark down that it's Clean Litter Tray Day. Say that three times faster. Mark down that I ordered food, plus I also had grocery delivery, and I had to do IG stories on that day as well, so I marked it with an @ symbol from the kit. On the Saturday, again, I used the clipboard full box, like I mentioned, and I have a tracker or checklist on the side just to mark down what I had to do. I usually don't check my checklist. Do you check your checklists? I just put them there as a reference of spacing, because otherwise my handwriting will go everywhere. But I'd had some chores that I really needed done that day, which was put down some water on my cat's water fountain. I am terrible at reminding, unless the noise comes to my ears, I don't remember, so I marked it down to actually do it. Cleaned the dishes, and filled out a form as well. Then that day, I think it was my 1 a.m. or something like that, or 3 a.m. It was the Coffee Monster's Co. new release. It was her anniversary bundle, and I had to, of course I did a pre-order, because the Coffee Monster's Co. I cannot resist. It's one thing for sure is the Coffee Monster's Co. is definitely the store that I'm gonna keep when all of my stickers are over, all the other stickers are over. The Coffee Monster's Co. is definitely one that I'm gonna keep purchasing from, because I have everything that I need with the emojis. And in the evening I had some gin, so I put down gin time. Sunday I slept in, and I used this beautiful deco piece from the kit with a script made by me. Marked down film plan with me, and did my laundry as well as folded all of my clothes. And finally I've called Mom, because that's what I do Sunday evenings. And it was a strange week, and that's when we had the alert of getting just after I spoke to my mom, I got a call from my husband to say, hey, pack everything. We might need to evacuate the house just in case. We'll know more by 3 a.m. And I'm like, oh, great. So there was no sleep in the house that day, but we're good. We're okay. We didn't have to evacuate, so that was good. I'm grateful for everything that didn't happen. And that is the spread. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. It is, again, different, but it is lovely, and I'm really, really happy with how it turned out. I will make a few last, I will spread a little bit more of rose gold foil, and what I'll do is use the last of my Girl Boss Anna overlay washi. So this is not even a full overlay box. This is just 15 millimeters, but I'm gonna use it anyway on this full box and this full box. And if you are curious and want to check out Girl Boss Anna, I have a 10% discount code. If you use SAM10, you will get 10% off. And if you use, if you write my names on the notes on your order, you will get my journaling card, which is absolutely beautiful. Just check on my Instagram if you want to see it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please let me know on the comments down below. I'll be more than happy to assist you or advise you of anything that you were curious about. And I hope you have a fantastic day. Stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands. Love you, lottles. Bye.